Hey food lovers, welcome back to PlatterPulse, your kitchen for quick comfort and irresistible flavors. Today, we remaking a party snack that's as fun to pull apart as it is to eat. Cheesy garlic pull-apart bread. Think crispy golden crust, soft buttery inside, oozing with garlic and melty cheese. It's perfect for game nights, family gatherings, or when you want to wow your guests with minimal effort. Let's jump right in. First, we need one large crusty bread loaf. Sourdough or Italian bread works best here. The shape and crust give us that perfect crunch. While keeping the inside fluffy, place the bread on a sturdy cutting board, and using a sharp bread knife, slice it into a grid pattern. About 1-inch squares. Make sure you don't cut all the way down. We want the bottom intact so the bread stays together while baking. This part is oddly satisfying. It's like turning bread into a delicious puzzle just waiting to be pulled apart later. Now, let's create the flavor bomb. The garlic butter mix. In a small bowl, add a 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. Next, in goes 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic, or about 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder. If you prefer a milder flavor, add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh parsley for that fresh herby kick, plus ½ a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Give it a good stir until everything is well combined. The aroma already screams comfort food. Now comes the fun part, filling our bread with cheesy goodness. Take 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and ½ a cup of shredded cheddar. Mozzarella gives that perfect stretch, while cheddar brings the sharp tangy flavor. Gently open up the bread cuts with your fingers, like tiny pockets, and spoon in some garlic butter. Then stuff in the cheese mixture, making sure every slice gets some love. Don't be shy. The more cheese, the better. We're going for that epic cheese pull moment here. Once the bread is fully loaded, wrap it loosely in foil so the cheese melts without overbrowning too soon. Place it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 15 minutes. This gives the cheese time to melt and mingle with the buttery garlic flavor. After 15 minutes, unwrap the bread and bake for another 5 to 7 minutes until the top turns golden brown and irresistibly crispy. By now, your kitchen will smell like heaven, garlicky, cheesy heaven. Remove the bread from the oven and place it on a serving board. Garnish with extra parsley for a pop of color, and if you like spice, sprinkle over some red chili flakes. Then comes the best part. Pulling it apart, watch as the cheese stretches and the butter glistens on that crispy crust. Every bite is a mix of crunch, melt, and flavor explosion. And there you have it. Cheesy garlic pull-apart bread, the quick and easy showstopper your guests will remember. Serve it straight from the oven and watch it disappear in minutes. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that bell for more mouth-watering dishes from PlatterPulse. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep cooking, keep sharing, and keep the flavor alive.